Imagine a world where robots not only think and perform tasks but also feel emotions. How would this change our society, our relationships, and our future? Join us as we explore the fascinating and complex scenario of robots with emotions. Welcome to Imagine If, where we delve into the most intriguing what-if scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the unknown. The idea of robots with emotions has been a staple of science fiction for decades. From the empathetic androids of Blade Runner to the sentient hosts of Westworld, our imaginations have long pondered the possibilities and consequences of emotional robots. But how close are we to making this a reality? Advances in artificial intelligence and robotics have brought us closer than ever to creating machines that can mimic human emotions. Researchers are developing AI algorithms that allow recognize, interpret, and even simulate emotional responses. Emotional AI, also known as affective computing, involves creating systems that can detect and respond to human emotions. This is achieved through advanced algorithms that analyze data from various inputs such as facial expressions, voice tones, and body language. We already see early applications of emotional AI in customer service bots and therapy robots designed to provide companionship and support. These machines use emotion recognition to adapt their responses and provide a more human-like interaction. With the advent of robots capable of experiencing and expressing emotions, we must confront numerous ethical and social implications. What rights would these emotional robots have? How would we ensure they are treated ethically and not exploited or abused? The presence of emotional robots could fundamentally alter our relationship. They might serve as companions, caregivers, or even romantic partners. This raises questions about the nature of our connections and the potential for emotional dependency on machines. Robots with emotions could revolutionize the workforce. In industries like healthcare, education, and customer service, emotional robots could provide more empathetic and personalized interactions, improving the quality of care and service. However, this technological leap could also disrupt job markets. As robots become more capable of performing tasks that require emotional intelligence, many jobs could be at risk, necessitating a re-evaluation of our economic and labor systems. Creating robots with genuine emotions presents significant technological challenges. Simulating complex human emotions requires advanced AI and extensive data. Additionally, ensuring these robots can interact effectively with humans is crucial. Psychologically, humans might struggle to accept robots as emotional beings. Trust and attachment issues could arise, as well as concerns about the authenticity of robotic emotions. Can we truly bond with machines knowing their emotions are programmed? Looking to the future, we can envision a world where emotional robots enhance our lives in myriad ways. They could assist in mental health care, provide companionship for the elderly, and even help raise children. Emotional robots might become integral members of our families and communities, contributing to a more interconnected and emotionally supportive society. However, this future depends on how we navigate the ethical, social, and technological challenges ahead. What if robots had emotions? While the concept poses many questions and challenges, it also opens up exciting possibilities for the future of human-robot interaction. As we continue to advance in AI and robotics, the dream of emotional robots may become a reality, shaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you found this video thought-provoking, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of technology and the future. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.